So I'm in Chinatown right now, and it's finally here. It's finally came. The world's first DEX trading robot that trades on Pancakeswap. You connect it with your MetaMask, and that means you have full control of your funds at all time. A smart contract does the trading on Pancakeswap. Want to know more about it? Let me take you over to my laptop and show you. Let me show you the world's first trading robot that truly works with Pancakeswap. I want to introduce you to Johnny Blockchain. So here I've got some trading robots, and if I want to just run you through the ROI. So this one's got 54.15%, 26% just over, 257%, 794% coming down, a cake one here, 60%. Another bot here, just over 41%. This one just over 9%. We've got a Bitcoin one here with just over 54%. Another Bitcoin trading bot with just over 9%. And then coming down the bottom, we've got this bot here with just over 121%. And then we've got this final bot here with just over 23%. So coming back to the top of the page, I want to show you the DEX trends. Now these are robots that have been trading for the users, not just my account. As you can see, there's a cake trading bot here. There's 18 bots set up, giving a combined total of over 683% across those 18 bots. Got an XRP, again 18 bots, giving an ROI of 567%. And if you wanted to just create a robot, it's so simple. There's two ways you can do it. You can come to this trend here and click on this plus sign, or if you don't want to do it from here, you can come to the top button here and click on plus, and then from this drop down you would choose the trading pair that you want to trade with. Over here you'd choose the exchange. You can either choose Binance, which is a centralized exchange. You'd need your API keys connected with that, or you can use a DEX trading bot that trades on Uniswap, or you can use the DEX trading bot that trades on Pancakeswap. This is the one that I prefer to use, and most of the users are using inside Johnny Blockchain. So what do you need to do to get set up with Johnny Blockchain? Well, it's very simple. Below the video you'll find a link. It will take you over to Johnny Blockchain, and all you need to do is to click on the registration button. Your funds stay in your MetaMask wallet just like they do on Pancakeswap. The only time they leave your wallet is when the actual trade is carried out. Once the trade is complete, the funds go back into your wallet just as if you were trading on Pancakeswap manually. The difference here, this robot trades 24/7 and you don't need to have your computer on. It will trade in the background. If you're interested in getting access to this trading robot, click the link below, come over to Johnny Blockchain, create your free account. You'll find all the videos you need that will take a complete beginner from start to finish actually setting up your first trading robot. So click the link below this video, come and create your Johnny Blockchain account, and happy trading with the world's first decentralized trading robot that works with Pancakeswap and your MetaMask wallet. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.